Good news for Minecraft players, as the latest version 26.1.2 allows us to craft name tags. Let's make a name tag and know how to use it on our pets. First, place a crafting table. Grab some iron ingots. Make 3 iron blocks in the crafting table. Now make an anvil using the iron blocks and ingots. We'll make name tag now. Find some sugar canes near your home. Canes always grow near water. You will only need 3 sugar canes. Again, proceed to crafting table. Arrange the canes in the crafting table in this manner to make papers. Now make iron nuggets from an iron ingot. Look at the recipe book and you will find the recipe of name tag. You can also combine the nugget and paper to get a name tag. Remember that it is a new update and of version 26.1.2. Make the name tag and put it in the anvil. You will find a rename tab at the top of the anvil. Rename it to the name you want to appear on your pet. I named it horse-1. The rename costs single level of XP. Your name tag is now ready. Proceed to your pet and right click on it, and here you are.